everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today I'll be showing you how to add a credit card to your Google Ads account. So yeah guys, make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. The first thing you want to do guys, go ahead to the official Google Ads website, ads.google.com. And now guys, you want to log into your account, and if you do not already have an account, just go ahead and register for a new one. And after logging in, you'll be greeted by this main page right here where you can see all of your campaigns, your budget, your new campaign, and so on and so on. So guys, the first thing that you do to add a credit card is this. Go ahead and click the search option in the upper right corner. So click this button right here to search, and now guys, this will open up the search tab. So you want to search for payment method. Type it in exactly as me, and the first option should be tools and settings, billing, payment methods. So guys, go ahead and click this option right here. So guys, after clicking this option, you can see that now this has opened up a new page where we can see that you can either see your current credit cards, you can remove them, edit them, or you can add a payment method. So go ahead guys and click on add payment method, and after that guys, type in your credit card details and click save, and you will have successfully added a new credit card to your Google Ads account. So yeah guys, that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. So yeah guys, thank you for watching, take care and bye.